Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
You're from
Spain.
Spain.
Yes.
Hola, señor.
Hola. Encantado.
Thank you.
Well, nice to meet you, Luis Mauro from Italy.
Italy.
Yes, Italy.
Benvenuto.
Part of our team. Part of our team.
Ini siapa? Mario Haji. Dari mana asalmu, Mario? Magetan. Kamu dari mana? Yogyakarta. Wow. You apa? Moto2.
Lolos Moto2, Pak.
Oh yeah, really? And you?
Saya di Junior TV.
Oh, Junior GP.
Young talent. Coming.
How old are you now?
32.
And you?
53, I'm quite old.
You 17.
21.
21. You? 16. Wow. Please.
And you?
Sorry. Oh, what time you leave?
3 to 4 usually the final six.
Yeah. And another sprint race. Yeah, it's very short, and then Sunday the main race. Main event.
And race starts at 3.
Maybe I can work.
3 o'clock. Normally it's at 2 o'clock, but we have 1 hour.
No, yeah.
Yeah, we have the journalists and some important meet and greets.
My father in charge was construction, working in the construction.
So it's not.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.